Karen, how can I distinguish the connector polarity? I also print this document for customers to check in. Hello everyone, this is Karen from LithoTop. Last time we talked about the wires and so many friends interested about the point. So today let's continue and to introduce the connectors, the LiPo battery connectors. At first, let's talk about the common connector. For the small current and the small application, normally we use the GST connector and Molex connector, and some customer with a bigger current, and then we will recommend the 3030, 3060 or 3090, or some with a DC connector. Anyway, if you like more different kind of connectors, we also can customize for you. Okay, after talking about the connector, we are talking about another important point, is the connector polarity. So many customers ask us about these questions. For example, last time I have a customer, Mike. He also asked me the question, Karen, how can I distinguish the connector polarity? For example, what is the positive connector, what is the negative? So today I will use some batteries to introduce to make it clear. For example, we can check this battery, and let's say when you check the polarity, let the metal inside the metal to you. Yeah, in front of you. And if left is the red, the positive, and right is the negative, the black wires, then we call it this is positive connector. And like this one, if the left, no matter how many wires, if left is black and right is red, then this is negative connector. Okay, and some also without connector, and some also we do it without connector, like this to use FPC. And here I also print this document for customers to check in. If you are interested in it, please give us a comment, and then we can send you this document. Here has a very detailed introduction. No matter how many wires, then how to distinguish it to make it clear. Okay, so this is all questions for the connector and connector polarity. If you are interested in more questions, more points, please contact us or give us a comment. Thank you. This is Karen from LithoTop. Bye.